Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro. I want to talk to you about our new TRC1019, latest release arms for the Hyundai iLoad and iMax. We've had a lot of feedback from the field. We sell a lot of the lower inner control arm bushes, the OE ones, voided, rubber, weak, tears, causes the arm to move around all over the place. We were also getting feedback from the market that the ball joint wasn't lasting very long as well. So what we've decided to do is a complete arm replacement, new heavy duty uprated ball joint, the SuperPro vertical pivoting bush and the SuperPro front lower control arm bushes. We've also heard in the marketplace about the replacement aftermarket arms that are out there. The rubber bush is not lasting very long, so save everybody having to replace bushes, we've come up with a complete arm kit. So look out for this one, TRC1019, iLoad lower control arm kit, very easy, reduces the downtime for these predominantly delivery vehicles.